Boys, so we might have a Jeep SRT to look at this time. Finally, it's only like 30, can you guys even see me? So it's only like 30 minutes away, which is really, really good. It just got posted. It doesn't even have pictures or anything yet, so I'm gonna go quick. It is a 2018, so I'll say that now. It does have a lot of miles. That's my only concern. It has like 1,000 miles, but it is a one owner. So I'm gonna go look at it and see, maybe, you know, this could be the one. I'll catch up with you guys and let you know in just a minute. All right, so I haven't test drove it or even looked inside yet, but I will tell you that it does look really good. It has everything that I want pretty much, you know. I mean, obviously everything is not gonna be, but look, it's the same thing that I had, basically just a lot better, and an SRT. It does have some very light window tint. I don't even know if this is maybe 35 on the windows. Obviously we'd have to get that darker, but it's fairly unmolested. The road noise is gonna be awful right now, but it does look pretty good, and you guys see it's pretty clean. So let's go talk to someone. I'd kind of call and set it up so that it was good. But like I said, the mileage is a little bit higher than I would like, but like I said, looks really clean and it's pretty unmolested. So one owner, we'll look at the Carfax, see what we got going on, and maybe we'll be putting a deposit down on a SRT. The Jeep might be coming to the channel sooner than we thought.
5 minutes later.
All the carbon looks good besides the front passenger area over there, which is kind of the only thing, like I said. And I didn't really look at it too close over there for you guys, but we'll kind of open it up. But it looks pretty clean, which is pretty good for a 2018. I hope it's fairly clean. Has the SRT like mats back here too, it looks like. You guys can see. So this piece here you can see is kind of peeling up around here. It's also cracked, it looks like. Maybe they tried to reattach it or something, which means this whole piece needs to be replaced, which if you guys remember when I wrapped them, I had to remove this whole thing, and it's a fun process. But maybe I'll be able to get a little bit of a better deal if I do decide to go with it, just based on that this needs to be replaced, and it's not cheap to do. So I didn't really record on the little test drive for the quick minute that I drove it, but it has low gas, so I'm not going to leave it running. I will in a second if I go open it. But I just want to check things out and see what's going on under here. If you guys know why this gets like this, if you guys can see, it's almost like a I don't even know what that is, but it's like built on there. And every one that I've seen looks like this, and it's like this yellowish tone. So if you know what that is, let me know. No catch can, no mods pretty much anywhere throughout. It does have a sun strip and 35% tint, and that's about it. But it does feel really good. I mean, there's some little pine needles down here, but it does feel really good so far in the test drive. I'm liking it, even though it has 1,000 miles, which is, you know, kind of a lot, but overall it's really, really clean. I mean, there's one minor little rock chip here. You guys can see there's no bubbling. Oh, actually there's some bubbling right here. So there is two little issues with it that I found. One is the little bubbling, you guys might be able to see right there, but this might be the one, boys. This could potentially be it. So far it's good. If the numbers check out and they're willing to work based on those two little things that I need to get fixed, obviously that'll be on my own. Like the carbon fiber and whatever, but it's pretty much exactly what I had, but in SRT mode. And obviously 1,000 miles is quite a bit, but overall I think we'll be able to make it work. So I think we might go ahead and see if we can run some numbers on this, get it where we want it to be, and we might be back in the Jeep family here in just a couple days, maybe. We'll see. It sounds like it's coming from like this here, like the intake manifold area, and it makes like this like releasing sound. It's very strange. I've never heard that out of any 392 or just any SRT in general. I've test drove a bunch now, and I haven't heard that, so it's the only thing that concerns me a little bit about this one. But for the most part, it's in pretty good condition. I don't see too many scratches or even like bug things or anything. It was definitely garage kept, and it was kept pretty well, so there's not really many issues with it. You guys can see even looking down here, like the wheels and everything, no curbing or anything. They're very clean, and the brakes and everything even are very nice and clean. It does have like slotted rotors on it and whatever, so whoever did this probably did this aftermarket, which is good. They had some maybe they're the ones that aren't going to get a bunch of brake dust, you know, for now, until I have to change them out, of course. But like you guys can see, it's very, very clean, and it's like 12 degrees out, so we're gonna go ahead and drive it a little bit more and see. But this one might be the one. You guys can see that mileage there though, which is can you guys see? I don't even know if you can see it. You guys can see the mileage there, hopefully. I don't know, it's you'll see in a bit.